Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to put together the flip top box from Diva Designs. Guys, when I saw this die set, I was like so intrigued. I didn't know what it looked like. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be a cute die set. So when I saw everyone put it together, basically it forms like a crayon box, I would say. So you get tons of die sets in here, but before we get into the breakdown of how to create the box, there are some extras in here. You get this cute little charm that reads love. I haven't cut that out yet. And then you get that other stitch circles, those circle pieces that I showed you guys in my stamping video. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys haven't seen that video. I give you guys some tips on how to stamp and cut the perfect image when you're using those sentiment pieces. Okay, so let's get started, guys. I went ahead. Okay, so you're gonna get this piece. You're gonna cut all these pieces once. Okay, so you're gonna get this piece, you're gonna cut it once. Anything that has a stitch piece is gonna be a layering piece. This actually, I believe this layers to the back of the box. And then you get this right here, guys. You're gonna go ahead and cut this main piece out once. And then again, all these stitch pieces are layering pieces, okay? So you can decide what colors and what kind of paper you want to use for those. And then last but not least, you're going to get this piece. You're going to cut that once, all right? So I already went ahead and I die cut everything. Let's move this out the way. And then let's go ahead and assemble this box. Now, this piece here is going to be the inside lining of your box, and I'll show you what I mean. So you can decide whether you want to, what kind of cardstock you want to use, if you want to use a print, if you want to use a solid, if you want to just make it all the same color cardstock, that's totally up to you. So let's put this together, you guys. I went ahead and I folded. I was just so confused when I cut this. I was like, how do you put this together? So this is going to be the front, and it kind of reminds me of like a fry box type of thing. So just remember, these curves are going to be the front of your box. And then you have this longer piece that has these little notches right here. This is going to be the back. Okay. I believe this is going to be the back of your box. So I think it goes like this, you guys. Okay. And then you have this piece here. So it's going to look crazy when you cut it out. You're going to be like, what is this? This is going to be the top of your box. So these two pieces are going to fold inside like so. And you're going to glue that on here to create a box. Okay. And then this piece is going to be your liner. And it's going to go in here like this. Okay. So then when you open your box, it's going to have that liner there. Okay. So I haven't put this together, guys. It's my first time put it together, and I wanted to put it together with you all. So I think I'm going to glue this liner in here. Yeah, I'm going to glue it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and put glue. Let me think. Yeah, let's put glue all on here. This is the inside. So I'm just going to put my glue in here. I don't want it to be hard to put this in later, so I'm going to do it now, and I hope that this is correct. I just wanted to do this video in case there's anyone else who was like, what? How does this go? What is this? We're going to figure it out together. All right. So I'm going to put it pretty close to the edge. And then let's get our bone folder. My bestie. I've been missing my bestie. Okay. And then that's the inside of our box. Okay, now let's go ahead and build the rest. So let's go ahead and glue these tabs in. Again, this is the front of our box, okay? It's got that liner in it. So let's go ahead and glue these tabs. Now, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some people out there who probably have a different technique of how to put this together. See what works for you guys. We're just figuring this out together. All right, so there goes that. There goes the front of our box. Don't you wish they had double-sided glitter paper? Wouldn't that be amazing? All right, now this. we're going to go ahead and glue this. I'm going to glue this on the inside, this tab right here. You can put it on the outside as well. I don't think it matters. But I'm going to put it in the inside, and I'm going to glue this. And I'm going to keep these notches on the top because I think that that's where they go. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this in the inside. So stick that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and glue these tabs on the inside as well. You guys can use tape. Use your adhesive of choice. I love wet glue because I have that wiggle room. See, because I don't line things up the right way like I did this box. Line it up better, guys. All right, this is going to be my prototype. Okay, I didn't do a good job of gluing this on the bottom. What's going on? I'm going to just stick some glue right here. I'm not sure why I didn't glue. Let's glue that down first. I don't want any holes in my box, guys. Okay, and then let's do these tabs. My glue probably already dried out. So glue these, and make sure you stick your bone folder in there. So you can get a good bond. Okay, so you probably want to put this together and put the liner last, because you see how those tabs are going to be showing. So put this liner last. You're just going to have to stick your bone folder down in there. And then this is your top. So let's go ahead and glue. I'm going to glue this on first. And then I'm going to glue these tabs in last, I guess. No, I want to glue it like this first. I want to try to make this as pretty as possible on the inside without a bunch of tabs showing. But don't forget, you get layering pieces, so I'm pretty sure that you can layer this stuff up. But I'm going to be using my layering pieces on the outside. Okay, so this is our top. This is such a cute die set, guys. I couldn't wait to put it together. And I'm gonna have to make a couple color combinations. And then this is gonna be glued right onto this tab here, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. This is so cute already. I really wanted to put my lining pieces first, but I got sidetracked, you guys. I wanted to make sure that I was putting this box together right. But I would definitely put those layering pieces on the base. It's just a little easier, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys do. Do you guys put your layering pieces last when you're gluing a box like this together? Okay, so let's turn it around and use our bone folder to really get it adhered. So cute. And there goes your box, you guys. Look at how cute it is. It is adorable. I'm not sure what these little tabs are. These little tabs, I guess, are to like open and close, give it room to open. Adorable. Okay, I hope I did this right. And then let's go ahead and put our layering pieces. So I'm using my collection for this one. It's my new Valentine's Day digital collection. If you are interested, I'm going to leave my email down below and my Instagram where you can message me. And I accept PayPal and Cash App if you're interested. I've been having a lot of fun. I love the way this paper came out, guys. Okay, I had to do the pink and yellow. So you see what I mean? Like, I like to do my layering pieces first because then I'm not like pushing down on my box and all that stuff. But whatever, we're here. So let's do this. I would definitely, if I do this again, I'm going to make sure to glue all my layering pieces to the base and then put the base together. So let's put this together. I have to turn it around. I don't want to mess up my box, you guys. The stitching makes it even harder for this stuff to stick down. See, I don't want to do all this in my box. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it together. I'll be back. So I'm still gluing this, but I wanted to know, what would you guys put in here to give? You can put packages of anything in here. This is pretty roomy. I think it'll be cute with like a bunch of embellishments. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in mine. I think I want to put a pack of tassels that I've been working on. Look at how pretty, you guys. So make sure that you pay attention if you're using directional paper when it comes to especially these side pieces. You want them to line up perfectly. Tons of layering pieces. I love, love, love layering pieces. They just, especially when you do pops of color. Like, look at how that yellow bounces off this darker pink. I love it. All right, let me continue. So definitely put that liner piece last because I didn't want these tabs to show. So the next time I do it, and I wanted, you know, that pink to come on the outside. So definitely put this liner piece in last. But look at how cute it's coming together. Let's go ahead and put the pieces on the lid. And make sure that you're putting the right ones, because one is shorter than the other. Like, this is the thinner one. Yeah, and then one goes on the bottom. So the thinner one, I think, is to the front. This one's just a little bit thinner than the other two. So I believe it goes on the top. Front here. So guys, make sure you snatch this die set. It is a must-have in my book. Use code Poochie10 on Scrap Diva Designs to save you 10% off your entire purchase. Okay, guys? And don't forget, she has a new paper collection as well. All right, so I gotta get that on there. There's even layering pieces for the side right here, which I love. All right, we got one for the top here. I'm gonna put that one on the bottom because that one I messed up on my sewing machine. I love, 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 love layering pieces. I know I said that already, but I do. They just really make everything, make all the difference. And I feel like you really don't get that with a lot of companies. Okay. So there goes our bottom. Wait, I was supposed to put this on top. All right, put this here. And then I'll put the other one on the bottom. And then let's see if we have time to decorate this. Okay, so we're down to the end. I think I'm going to embellish this, you guys, on another video, or I'll do a short showing you how I embellish this. I don't want to make this video too long. I wanted to just be straight to the point on how to put this box together. Because I did stitching, I'm having the hardest time. I gotta put extra glue. Just gotta be a little more patient. Are there any more impatient crafters out there? But yeah, I really would love to know what you guys will put in here. I'm obsessed with this box. Again, it is a must-have in my book. I gotta figure out what I could put in there. But wouldn't it be cute to put a pack of crayons in here? Like actual crayons. I think that would be cute. And then that last piece is gonna go on my bottom, the bottom of my box. And then you have those layering pieces, guys. You can also line the inside. I'm not about that life though. So this is the box, you guys. Isn't it adorable? You can put a magnetic closure. You can do whatever on here. I think that once I'm gonna put something bigger here, so that it can kind of like, you know, over cover this, and it'll be even easier to lift up. But how adorable is this box, you guys? Once again, grab it from scrapdivadesigns.com and use code Poochie10 to save. I will be back in another video and I will show you guys how this came out.